To me, always Rama has been the most ideal person. Ramanama stands for the idea of dharma. When you think of Rama, you think of dharma. And dharati the dharma. That which sustains, that which bears, that which protects is dharma. And we are all born with a swadharma. Every human being is given a dharma to practice when they are born. So if you do your dharma, it not only protects you, it protects not only your family and community, it protects the entire country and the world beyond it. If that dharma, if we follow, there won't be any conflict, there won't be any trouble and strife. And if that dharma spreads to the whole world, which is Sanatana Dharma, which is the eternal law, eternal dharma, eternal duty that every one of us has, then the world will definitely be a heaven. Everybody will live like they lived in Ramarajya.